I don't know what, like, this ain't paint. I don't know what.
So we got a package today that just came in. This client is someone who is affiliated with DapperDan. Not Dirty Dan, but DapperDan. I know what pair of sneakers is in it because me and the client already talked about it, but it's about that time I show you all what's in it. Ooh. So the sneakers that we're working on today is the Air Jordan 3 Crafted.
They sent me the sneakers with a photo of a tracksuit and asked me to match them together. So that's what we're gonna do.
Let's get started.
I realized Nike used some type of vinyl paint on the midsole, so I went to pick up something stronger than take off the paint without damaging it. Also got some Brillo pads just in case. Now since that's over with, we can get back to it.
Crazy. Honestly, this was really refreshing just to work on, especially since this custom revolved around color blocking. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel because there's a lot more content dropping this year. You don't want to miss out on it. Now the only thing left to do is just pack it up and ship it back to the client.
Everything shipped out. I hope the client is actually happy because, you know, most of the time when I create anything, the client never sends me pictures. They just say thanks, and that be what it is. So hopefully we get some photos. That concludes this video. I'll see you all in the next one.